How to look good and smell good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss strategies for appearing and smelling pleasant. This video will include hygiene tips, hairstyling tips, and dental care. Disclaimer: tips provided for hairstyles, dental care, and hygiene are general advice. Individual results may vary. Perform patch tests for new products and consult professionals for personalized advice. Use tips at your discretion. Hygiene tips. For teenagers, maintaining good personal hygiene is not just about appearances. It's a crucial aspect of overall health. Daily showers play a vital role in this, offering numerous benefits that contribute to a healthier and more confident lifestyle. Use a mild soap or body wash, along with a loofah or exfoliating glove, enhances the cleansing process by providing gentle exfoliation. These tools help scrub away dead skin cells, leaving the skin refreshed and revitalized. Opt for warm water during showers instead of hot water. Hot water can strip the skin of its natural oils, potentially leading to dryness and irritation. Speaking of which, daily hair washing might not be necessary for everyone. It's important to use a suitable shampoo and conditioner when needed. Teens with oily hair may benefit from more frequent washing, while those with dry hair can space out their hair care routine. Hairstyling tips. Knowing your hair type straight, wavy, curly, coily is essential for proper care. Consider factors like texture, thickness, and porosity within each type. This knowledge guides product choices and styling techniques. Straight hair is smooth, wavy, has gentle waves, curly forms, spirals, and coily, has tight curls. Factors like porosity and thickness influence care routines. Understanding your unique type empowers you to enhance your natural beauty. Discovering your hair type is simple. Just take a strand of hair and compare it to the list to determine whether it's straight, wavy, curly, or coily. Washing curly hair involves using a sulfate-free, moisturizing shampoo focused on the scalp, followed by a generous application of conditioner. A cold water rinse helps seal cuticles, and a gentle pat dry with a microfiber towel minimizes frizz. Apply leave-in conditioner, air dry, or use a diffuser. Consider protective styles at night to maintain curls' health and definition. For straight hair, use a suitable shampoo, focusing on the roots, and apply conditioner from mid-length to ends. Rinse with cool water to add shine. Gently towel dry and comb through before air drying or using a blow dryer for a sleek finish. Washing wavy hair involves using a hydrating shampoo and conditioner, with a focus on mid-length to ends. Detangle gently, rinse with cool water, and softly towel dry. Let it air dry for natural waves or use a diffuser for added volume and definition. Coily hair benefits from a moisturizing shampoo and deep conditioning treatment. Detangle with care, using a wide tooth comb. Rinse with cold water and gently pat dry with a microfiber towel. Apply a leave-in conditioner for added moisture and define coils. Allow hair to air dry or use a diffuser on a low heat setting for a defined coily look. Dental care. Dental care is essential for oral health. Brush twice daily with fluoride toothpaste, floss daily, and consider using mouthwash. Regular checkups and limiting sugary intake are crucial for maintaining a healthy smile. A single tooth can withstand an average biting force of around 200 pounds, showcasing the remarkable strength of dental structures. Thank you for tuning in to watch my video. Your time and attention are truly appreciated. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content.